Hello student, in this lecture we are going to calculate exercise 10 long question, page number 32, right? In this exercise you are asked to prepare partner capital account and profit and loss appropriation account, right? So let us start reading. So student, open your textbook, page number 32, exercise 10, right? Sarda, Jamuna and Ganesh, three partners are given, right? First time three partners are given. So we are required to prepare three columns. On 1st April 16, their capital was rupees 72,000, 48,000 and 24,000. Opening capital is given. Opening capital will be transferred to capital account. As per the partnership deed, number 1, 5% per annum interest is payable on opening capital of partners. Students, do you know what is double effect of interest on capital? Yes, first effect P&L appropriation debit, and second effect partner capital account credit. Now, second adjustment, 8% per annum interest will be charged on drawings. Students, interest on drawing, it is an income. So first effect P&L appro credit, second effect partner capital debit. Monthly salary 700 payable to Sarda. Salary is an expense, partner salary, P&L appro debit and capital credit. Number 4, be careful, first time arrival. Half of the profit will be distributed the partner in equal proportion and remaining half profit in the proportion of their opening capital. So student, at last divisible profit not distributed totally between partner in their P&L ratio. Here out of the profit, half of the profit in the equal proportion, 1:1:1, and remaining half profit in their opening capital ratio, right? So at last this point will be considered. On 31st December 16, Ganesh has withdrawn 6,000 from the firm for his personal use. Student, here withdraw means drawing. Only one partner drawing is given, Ganesh. So it will be debited to capital account. Profit of the firm for the year ending on 31st March 17 after charging interest on drawing. Student, underline this sentence. But before considering of above mentioned adjustment was 81,600. So student, here profit means net profit is given, but first time this net profit is given after charging interest on drawing, and we have required net profit before charging interest on drawing, before. So this net profit not considered for the purpose of P&L appropriation account. We are required to adjust, and very simple way of adjustment of profit, we have to add interest on drawing deducted previously, now we have to add into the net profit, then we can get pure net profit, regular net profit. Before the distribution of the profit of the partner, but after considering of above mentioned adjustment, from surplus of profit 20% are to be transferred to general reserve. Student, transferred to general reserve, it is an appropriation, so it will be debited to P&L appropriation account. And second effect, not recorded in capital account because general reserve is shown on liability side of the balance sheet, right? And in the bracket, but not less than 18,000. So minimum 18,000 rupees transfer to general reserve. 18,000 or more than 18,000. So it will be considered last. So let us start example. Okay, first starting with opening balance of partner capital, where will be recorded? Credit side recorded. 1st April 16 by balance brought down. Sharda 72,000, Jamuna 48,000 and Ganesh 24,000. Understand? Now adjustment number 1, 5%. Okay, before adjustment number 1, we have to record drawing of the partner. Only one partner have drawing. Next page, on 31st December 16, Ganesh has withdrawn. So drawing will be debited to partner capital account. 31st December 16 to drawings account. right? Only Ganesh, third partner, 6,000. Sada and Jamna have no drawing, so no problem, dash. And now also consider profit of the year. Here profit of the year is given after charging interest on drawing. So we have to add interest on drawing, right? So here by profit and loss account into bracket net profit, 81,600 is the net profit after charging interest on drawing. After charging interest on drawing means interest on drawing is included. Included means income is included. So interest on drawing not deducted, sorry. Interest on drawing is to be added. Interest on drawing is to be deducted, right? Because interest on drawing is an income. So interest on drawing, calculate 6,000. 6,000 interest on drawing deducted, no? Because it is an income. Ganesh, right? Okay, Ganesh withdraws 6,000. So 6,000 percentage of interest on drawing is given point number 2, 8 percentage. 8 percentage. And month December completed. So January, February, March. Our accounting year ends on 31st March 17. So how many months? 3 month consumption. 3 by 12. Right? So what is final interest on drawing? So interest on drawing is rupees 120. And you are given net profit after charging interest on drawing, means this net profit including interest on drawing. So interest on drawing is to be less. Right? So the first time happen, net profit given after charging interest on drawing, and interest on drawing is an income previously included in this net profit. So we have to deduct it. Minus. So what is your final net profit? 81,480. 81,480. So student, now you understand, interest on drawing less from net profit and then credited to P&L, credited to P&L appropriation account. Now second effect of interest on drawing, partner capital account debit to interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. In Ganesh 120, because first and second partner dash. So this is an adjustment of example, right? Interest on drawing minus from profit, and now regular double effect of interest on drawing, P&L credit and partner capital debit. Now number 1, 5% per annum interest is payable on opening capital of partner. Interest on capital is an expense, right? So first effect, P&L debit, interest on capital. 3 partner, Sada, Jamna, Ganesh. Students, interest on capital calculate on opening balance of partner capital account, 72,000 percentage 5. So 72,000 5 percentage, that is 3,600, right? 48,000 5 percentage and 24,000 5 percentage. 48,000 5 percentage 2,400 and 24,000 5 percentage 1,200. Total interest on drawing is 7,200. Sorry, total interest on capital is 7,200. Second effect of interest on capital, partner capital credit. So 31st March 17 by interest on capital account. How much? 3,600, 2,400 and 1,200. Understand? Next adjustment number 3, monthly salary rupees 700 payable to Sharma. Salary payable to partner is an expense. P&L accrued debit, salary. S means Sharma. Monthly salary given in the example. Students, monthly salary 700 per month multiplied by 12. 8,400. Right? Second effect of monthly salary. Partner capital credit. 31st March 17 by salary account. Who are entitled to get salary? S means Sarda. First partner 8,400 dash. Understand? Number 4, half of the profit distributed among the partner will be considered. Last, number 4, Okay, in next page, on next page you are given drawing is already completed, profit is completed. Now go to last adjustment, right? You are given there 20% of the divisible profit transferred to general reserve, condition not less than 18,000. So student, first of all, we are required to determine divisible profit, net profit. So here total of credit side of P&L appropriation account, total of credit side. So what is total of credit side? 81,600. Now total of debit side of P&L appropriation account, total of debit side. Here total of debit side is 15,600. 15,600. So difference divisible profit 66,000. And partner decided that 20% of the profit transferred to general reserve. So transfer to general reserve. Transfer to general reserve. Transfer to general reserve 66,000, 12%. 66,000, 12%. Right? 13,200. 13,200. But as per condition, transfer to general reserve not less than 18,000. Means what? 18,000 or more than 18,000. But this is less than 18,000. So as per condition, finally rupees 18,000 transfer. 18,000 transfer to general reserve because less than 13,200 is less than 18,000. Understand? So how much rupees transfer to general reserve? 18,000. So here first effect, transfer to general reserve. To general reserve. To general reserve amount 18,000 student. Because 20% of the 20%, sorry, 12 and 20%. 20% of the net profit is less than 18,000. Understand? And remember that transfer to general reserve is an appropriation. So its second effect is not transfer to capital account. Its second effect is given into balance sheet on liability side. Understand? Now we can close partner profit and loss appropriation account, right? Total is already available. Total of credit side 81,600. 81,600. Right? Okay. Profit transfer to partner capital account. 3 partners are given: Sarda, Jamna and Ganesh. Right? How much rupees difference? So difference is 48,000. Difference is 48,000. And student, remember that this 48,000 not distributed between partner in their same or equal proportion. You are given that half of the profit distributed in equal proportion and remaining half profit distributed in opening capital ratio, right? So let us distribute it profit. Divisible profit. Your divisible profit is rupees 48,000. Understand? This 48,000 divided into 2 parts. Half. The first half 24,000 and second half 24,000. I understand? First half in equal proportion. What is equal ratio? 1:1:1. Sarna, Jamna and Ganesh. So equal distribution of profit. 24,000 divided by 3. So each partner get 8,000, 8,000 and 8,000. Are you understand? 8, 8, 8. Now remaining 24,000 distributed in their opening capital ratio. Students, what is opening capital ratio? So this is opening capital ratio: 72,000, 48,000 and 24,000. So common 24,000. 24,000 common. 24,000 divided by 72,000 divided by 24. 3, 2 and 1. So this is opening capital ratio. So 24,000 divided Sarada, Jamuna and Ganesh in the 3:2:1 ratio. The answer is 12,000, 8,000 and 4,000. Understand? 12, 8, 4. This is half distribution of profit. Now we can get total amount received by Sarda out of this distribution. So in first distribution, Sarda get 8,000 and here 12,000. So 8 plus 12. 8,000 plus 12,000. Right? 8,000 plus 12,000 is equal to 20,000. Sarda get 20,000. Jamna. Right? So here Jamna get 8,000 plus 8,000. 8 plus 8. 8,000 plus 8,000 is equal to 16,000. Ganesh, 8,000 plus 4,000. 8 plus 4. 8,000 plus 4,000. 12,000. So this is final distribution of profit. Now you can make cross tally. 20,000 plus 16,000 plus 12,000. Total of these three amount is equal to 48,000, right? So this is distribution of profit. Are you understand? Now second effect of divisible profit credited to partner capital account. 31st March 17 by P&L appropriation account into bracket divisible profit DP. Right? So divisible profit is 20,000 as per distribution, 16,000, 20,000, 16,000 and 12,000. Understand? So this is final distribution of profit. Now we can close partner capital account. Generally partner capital account shows credit balance. So credit side total higher. First partner 1,04,000 total. First partner total 1,04,000. 1,04,000. Difference balance carried forward. So first partner closing balance 1,04,000, same amount because no entry on debit side. Second partner total 66,400. 66,400. So difference is 66,400, same difference, right? Third partner Ganesh, credit side higher 37,200. 37,200 and the difference is 31,080. 31,080. So this is closing balance of partner capital account. So student, in this exercise you can see that 2 points are new point. Which 2 points? Transfer to general reserve as per condition and distribution of divisible profit. Okay, thank you.